Realism, yo. What do you want us to move up to?
You want to move up to the gas station and stand there?
No, I'd rather not then.
Why?
Do you have a grenade?
Yes.
Give it to me.
No.
And take this.
No.
Give me a grenade, Chandler.
No.
Look at me.
No. Get your own grenade.
Redemption.
No.
Okay.
And you have that like on file where I just like hit automatically like I do the credit.
What?
Credit whatever the hell.
Me missing?
Or whenever you're like redemption.
Come on, Chandler. I can make this throw. Give it to me. Trust me.
No. Reloading. What was... You fucking idiot!
Fine, then you throw it.
No.
These bags. They're terrible. You know what? F it. This. All of it. Jesus H. Murph! Over here, Al, Murph! Tell Al, get your ass over here. We're making a push on this side. I have to. How's it going? All over the place. By the way, these mags that you gave me, they're shit.
Wait, what?
The mags that you sold me are terrible.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Well, when I bought one before, I just had to break it in.
There's a guy in the gas station. No, actually, not anymore, huh? No. There's a guy over there by Yellow Building. Yeah, there was. I don't know if he's still there. I want my money back for these mags. Me?
Yeah. That's what I was arguing with you.
I'm gonna tell the truth to you. I knew I could that guy. Yes, you do. I told you that. Talk about me. Yellow. Did you get him?
No, it's just in the hop up of the range.
Oh.
This hop up doesn't move after a while. What?
Nothing. Just saying.
Just saying what?
This
Yeah, well this one's discontinued.
I see us, mother. Actually, I think this one is too. Maybe.
No, they wouldn't discontinue a staring sports one, I think.
Yeah, but
that's just the standard M4. They wouldn't discontinue that.
but this is their pro line.
They don't just can't discontinue pro lines though.
Yes, they do.
Okay, well
Hey, let's go like their flag. Yeah, okay. Wait, where are you getting shot from?
I have an idea.
Where are you getting shot from?
I learned this in college. All the way by.
Dude, the wind is these.
I'm just gonna start moving up.
Near
I got nowhere.
or far.
That thing right in front of us? Yeah.
I think.
There's a guy.
Did you just get hit?
No, there's a guy on the left.
I heard something hit you.
No,
Huh?
it hit the wall.
Hospital window.
Hold on a second, I'm gonna move back a
How
little.
about you tell me where he is before you move back a little? What?
Oh my, you're deaf. Hospital window.
Oh, hospital window. Well, I can't see the hospital from here, so.
Oh yeah.
That's right, stay the down. Hey dude, do you just have the Bison or did you bring the RPK? We're taking fire from the hospital.
Communication's not permanent.
He's got us down good. Oh, fucking decent, man. Murph, I want my money back for these damn mags. I want my money back for these damn mags.
Dude, that was like 2 months ago.
Yeah, and you know what? I haven't used an M4 since, so.
I got it. Should I just kill him?
What the Chandler, do something while we are distracting him. You have the best f***ing angle on him.
We got another one coming from the left.
Al! Deploying cover!
Get to the line. Shit, he's on it.
He's on all of us. I don't even know how.
Got one moving on your left. Right? Full bar building right here. Guys, you got one moving up on you.
Oh, you still pinned? Murphy! Okay.
I think I can move up, actually. Everybody gets fucked.
Are you here with the group?
What?
Are you here with the group?
No.
Okay.
Why?
How many other people are pushing that way?
Lots.
Okay. Go pull.
We're kind of pinned though, so.
Okay, you're kind of. We have unlimited lives.
Yeah, I know, but.
So go tell them to all die and come back here.
Okay. Who's dead here?
No one. We got 2 guys pushing me off, so that's kind of bad. So
How many?
Go tell them to rally and push that way and die. Go respawn, come back here.
Guys! Go. And then come back and respawn. And come over here. What's the situation like? Are we pinned or?
No, we're not pinned. We just want to.
Just want.
To the left.
We don't have enough gas.
Okay.
If no one comes in a minute, I'm telling you to go run and grab people yourself.
You see the
Okay.
guy who's like,
Will do.
I'm sorry.
12,
I can do it right now.
Okay, then go
do
do
you guys
that.
see the guy
Okay.
12:30?
Go do that. Just run cover to cover, tell them to the guy, or just come straight to the mine shaft.
Guys, come to the mine shaft now.
Like, go to them personally.
Oh, you got the RP guy. Okay, so can you pin that guy right there?
Alright, come here.
Okay. Is that enough people, or do you want me to get more?
This one.
I don't really have a line.
You don't have
There's
one?
this. Yeah, there's this thing right here.
Ah, fuck. Okay, yeah, that's overgrown. I forgot about that.
Yeah. I can go up top and.
Then do that.
Okay.
Alright, you go up
Hang on,
top. We got
I'm going
cover
up top.
Alright.
On 3, ready? Pop up and give cover on 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, now guys. You come here.
Yeah.
I need you now. I need you to go ask the guys on the front if it's alright for me to move.
If we're clear.
Yeah, I want you to go. Let's see. Green building and ask what the sit rep is.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go.
Go ahead.
Guys, what's this? Ah, shit. What's going on?
He's gotta tie his holster.
Man, I gotta tie my shoe.
So damn loose.
Things are ridiculous, man.
Are you double knotting them?
No.
Well, then you
I
need to
should-
friggin' do that, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, my shoes are crap. I don't know how to tie them. I need to go back to school. When did they teach you how to tie shoes, kindergarten?
Second grade for me. That must explain a lot of things.
Gotcha.
I need aggressive
We're aggressive.
we have them outgunned.
Let's do it. These four are ready to go.
Hang on. Yeah, I'm on my way.
moving up. I've taken up so many people. Which way is
Okay.
the best way to move up? That way or this way?
It's
We've been draining
like
them.
on the side left.
I'm sorry, right. Sorry, right.
Oh well, yeah, right. But
Okay, right now.
facing the battlefield's always.
We have a tan building, and a mansion, and there's one in the woods on the right. Remember, we have unlimited lives. Don't be afraid to die.
Let's go. Yeah. Oh, is there? just happened?
Really, Jack, get your ass up there.
Okay.
Now.
We just won. No need.
No, we didn't.
Ah.
You there, your mobile device or laptop, computer, or whatever the hell you're on. Some magic. You're watching Dick at Airsoft. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, follow us on Facebook to see where we will be when, and also for the newest video updates.